Hi guys, welcome back to TWN TV. I'm Lisa, your registered dietitian, and today we're going to cover naturally detoxifying and cleansing foods. In this video, we're going to go over my favorite 4 foods that support natural detoxification and cleansing. First thing to know, the healthy body does a phenomenal job of naturally detoxing via our major organs like the liver and the kidneys. It does it all day, every day, no crazy detox cleanse to make this happen. Our bodies are constantly being bombarded with contaminants from the environment, our drinking water, pesticides found in our food we eat, and even just from breathing in household cleaning supplies. The liver, our #1 detox organ, has a really big job to do. It rids the body of waste, metabolizes hormones, aids in digestion, and more. Therefore, supporting it via our dietary choices is a great idea. The popular question I always get is, Lisa, should I do a juice cleanse? Absolutely not. A juice cleanse is not necessary for detoxification or cleansing, but it can be an excellent way to flood the body with nutrients. I'm a much bigger believer in the power of whole foods plus a delicious nutrient-dense juice to supplement. I'm going to walk you through my favorite foods that support the detox process and cleanse our organs naturally and, most importantly, gently. Number 1, milk thistle. Despite its name, milk thistle is not a dairy product, but actually a flower. The active component within is called psilocybin, which can alter the structure of the cell membrane of the liver cells so that toxic substance can't get to the nucleus. It also works to help new liver cells be made. You can easily add a few drops into juice, coconut water, or even into a smoothie. Number 2, garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate the liver enzymes to help flush out those toxins and waste. Next, we've got chlorella. I am head over heels for chlorella. Chlorella is a green algae that's really rich in chlorophyll. You could really just see it in the color right here. It has a rough cell wall, which makes it hard to digest. These cell walls bind to the toxins in our body and carry them out as waste. Bye-bye, bad stuff. Lastly, we've got cruciferous veggies. I love raw, crunchy veggies as delicious snacks. And they happen to contain an important antioxidant called glutathione. Glutathione not only supports the detoxification process, but it boosts our immune system. It works by soaking up the toxins and free radicals in our body and flushing them out via bile and stool. There you have it. You don't have to do a pure juice cleanse or a miserable detox to support your body's natural function. Just focus on eating whole foods and add in some of these great cleansing supportive foods in order to stay healthy and feel your best.